In this exercise, we will learn the gradient map and selection option. The gradient map is used to apply a gradient effect on images. Let's see how these options will work. Let's click on the adjustment layer and select the gradient map. Here we have gradient colors, and we have many options of gradients that we can apply any color, something like this. Let's click OK, and we now have applied the gradient on the image. For better results, we can also adjust the opacity from here, something like this. Now let's delete this layer. Next, we have the selection color option. This is the best option to adjust skin tone. We can adjust it with cyan, magenta, yellow, or black colors, something like this. And we can adjust according to the skin effect that we want. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the layer style option.